Goa Deputy Speaker Michael Lobo on Saturday informed media that the BJP's National Joint Organizing Secretary P.L. Santosh had discussed the leadership issue at BJP MLA's meeting in Panjim on Saturday. Speaking to media persons after the meet, Lobo said that B.L. Santosh had informed MLAs that question of giving leadership to any other party does not arise. Lobo said that all MLAs in Goa have felt the absence of Goa CM Manohar Parrikar.
Leadership issue also was discussed, and the party MLAs, all the MLAs including the ministers, have told that there are rumors being put in, a lot of people are talking, so BJP party will not go on rumors. This is very specific answer Santosh ji has given us, that we do not go on rumors. We are 14 MLAs, so he said all 14 should stand unitedly together. So the question of giving leadership to any other party does not arise. Yes, the leadership will stand with BJP, and we have spoken to him on other issues also of the government functioning and all those things. And we are also, all of us, we are praying hard that Manohar ji should come and take the situation back. Like I in his absence, we have felt the absence. So immediately Manohar ji, but let us see how his health will also improve.